I think with interior designers, it's more about showing you what you can do with the product. We have imitations in Kenya that are coming from China of PG BISON boards. We are one of the largest manufacturers of MDF and particle board in Africa, and as PG BISON South Africa. L Interiors gives us the opportunity to showcase our products to these students who come to our facilities, and they can use our showrooms as theirs when showing the products to their clients as well.
Today I'm going to be talking a bit more about the decorative range that we have, and I'll be showing you some unique products as well. We have had tremendous success within Nairobi with some high-profile buildings like Kempinski, Westgate, the Total service station, Citibank, the Aga Khan Academy out in Mombasa. And we are proud to be working with L Interiors and her School of Interior Design, because we get the opportunity to work with young and upcoming interior designers and help them make their clients' dreams come true by providing the perfect coating for their surfaces.
I have been traveling every weekend far to just come attend this class because of my passion for interior design. My idea of interior design has changed. It looked more shallow to me before than now. It seems right now so broad. Like you, at a point you're a painter, you become an architect, then you are there decorating again. So it has been an intense class, and I am happy about it, and I feel I've got value for what I came for.
Being a man, sometimes it's known that we are not interior designers. Interior design is all for the ladies, but I can say that is not true. Right now I can say I'm graduating very confident going into the market, knowing that I have the skill to become an interior designer, and obviously I have the strength and I have the will to do everything that needs to be done.
I've learned so much from L Interiors. If a client was now to come to me with an idea for commercial and residential, I am well equipped to be able to tackle it and look for the different materials that I need from the legwork that we were taught to be doing weekly. In the beginning it was taxing, but now I get it. The more legwork you do, the more you get to experience. So I am ready and happy and excited. Anxious but excited for this.